WeCP lets you assess Kotlin experts on their hands-on expertise with Kotlin. Here's how it works. After you send a Kotlin assessment to candidates open the assessment in their browser. On the left, they see a clear problem description. The task is simple. You are given a list of strings. You have to group words that are anagrams into lists and return that list. You are given a function named group anagrams to complete in the main file. In the source section, you find the file where you have to implement the required function. In the problem description, you also get the test cases with their inputs and outputs. Let's implement the function. Now I wrote the code and implemented the function. After this, we have to run our code. In the terminal below, we can see that the anagram groups are displayed in a list, same as expected output, which means the code is working correctly. Now, let's submit our code. As you can see, our code has passed all the test cases. Hence, we have finished this Kotlin assessment.